Hello, Falcons. Today's read aloud is brought to us by Scholastic Books, so thank you, Scholastic Books. The book is called A Second is a Hiccup, and the authors are Hazel Hutchins and Katie McDonald Denton. So thanks again, Scholastic, and thanks Hazel Hutchins and Katie McDonald Denton. So a second is a hiccup. A second is a hiccup, the time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. A minute is a longer time, a happy, hoppy little song. Choruses, verses, not too long, just enough to fill a minute. An hour is a longer time. If you build a sandy tower, run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower, pretend you have a secret power that should nicely fill an hour. A day is a much longer time, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers, lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack and dinner, play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke, and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away, fall asleep, and that's a day. A week is a much longer time. 7 days make up a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day, Saturday, a favorite one. Some are quiet and some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. 7 wake-ups, 7 sleeps. Close your eyes and do not peek. Still, you'd never, ever, ever stay asleep for 1 whole week. A month is a much longer time. A month is time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warm to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's a brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to float, relaxed and light. Learn to count, clean up to 10. Learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, then thin again. Imagine that. And all in that 1 month flat. A year is a much longer time. A great big circle spinning round. Climb aboard, you're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes, and taller too, now that's the good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far a whole year reaches? Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind, linked together in a line. Now your birthday's almost here, and you're older by a year. A childhood is a long, long time. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers, running through whole fields of flowers, laughing, learning, climbing, leaping, building, dancing, reading, sleeping. Changes come and changes go. Around and around these years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you'll be loved, as surely as a second is a hiccup. All right, so that is a beautiful book by Scholastic Books. Again, A Second is a Hiccup. Thank you, Scholastic Books, and Hazel Hutchins and Katie McDonald Denton for this wonderful story.